Welcome everyone, let's set up our brand new Nothing Phone 2. First of all, if you have accessibility requirements, you can tap on this button here and you can use these accessibility settings. You can also set your region right here, and once everything looks good, we're going to tap on the red arrow, and now it wants us to connect to Wi-Fi. You may also want to insert your SIM card now, and in order to insert the SIM card, the SIM card tray is at the bottom, and the SIM ejector tool should be in the box, but you can use a pin or a paper clip with it bent out so you have a line like that. So I'm going to select my Wi-Fi network and connect. Once we are connected, it's going to activate. If there is a Google account, let's say the phone is used, it will ask you to enter that one in. It did not ask for any Google account, so that means that the phone is not locked. So we see here, copy apps and data. If you tap on next, it will give you on-screen instructions to transfer data from your old Android or iPhone. But I'm going to personally select don't copy. It's now asking to sign in to the Google account. I would recommend doing this because the Google Play Store requires a Google account, and Google Pay, many services need you to sign into Google. If you don't have an account, just tap on the create account option. It's now asking if you want to put your phone number into Google Systems. I'm going to personally skip that one, and you will need to agree to the terms and conditions. You are forced to. So it's going to pass the information. Now, if you want auto backups, you can have this one on. I personally don't want it. Location, I'm going to turn on. Scanning, essentially, even when Wi-Fi and Bluetooth are off, it can detect your location. I'm going to turn this one off, but you may want to have that one on. And send data, I'm going to turn that one off. You can have this one on if you want, but it will just drain battery. And then I'm going to accept. And now it wants the default search engine, so I'm going to use Google. Now it wants us to set up the biometrics. So if you tap on the screen lock options, you can set a passcode or pattern instead of a pin. But I'm going to use a pin like that. And now it wants us to set up the fingerprint. So the fingerprint is under the screen, and you just place your finger on the fingerprint. But you see I'm slightly moving my finger around. Just slightly move it so that all of the sides are covered. Okay, and I'm using my thumb because that is most natural. If you want to add multiple fingers like a left thumb, index fingers, go ahead by tapping on add another. Lock screen, we can change what type of content we're going to see. So the previews, do you want them to show? Yes by default, no if you turn that one off. Continue setup. Let's tap on continue. It's going to ask to use the Google Assistant. If you want, tap on agree. I'm going to tap on skip. I'm going to tap on skip for accessing Google Assistant without unlocking. And you can set up all of these other features by tapping on them. I'm going to select no thanks. And the terms and conditions, you're going to need to agree to these ones. And so I'm going to turn off these programs. I'm going to turn them all off because you can see data collection, and sending notifications about the Nothing phone. So I'm just going to turn these ones off. And system navigation, it's going to show you how to navigate with the system navigation like bar. But you can turn that one off with a tutorial. Just search up how to add back button on Nothing phone and you'll find my video. You now have a walkthrough of what operating system you want to add. So just gonna go next, and this is just instructions of how this lift system works. Visual style, so you can use default Android look or the nothing phone look. I recommend you select the nothing phone look, because that's what they do. That's what they want you to use. And now the home screen's prepared, and we are in business. Check my channel videos for more tutorials. Bye bye.